Next, elements. Already we are discussed about the element definition. What is the element definition? Those substances that cannot be broken into more simpler substances. It is made up of element. Element is a substance. It is made up of only one kind of atoms. Elements is made up of only one kind of atoms. These substances cannot be broken into more simpler substances. Example is sulfur and sodium. Sulfur and sodium. Already we are discussed about this element definition. It is made up of only one kind of atoms. Next, what is the characteristics of elements? Next one is characteristics. Characteristics of element. What is the characteristics is there? They are made up of atoms. First point is that they are made up of atoms. Physical and chemical properties of elements are same as of their atoms. Physical and chemical properties is same. But in the pure substances that always possess same characteristic properties. It is also. Here also, elements also physical and chemical properties of elements are same as of their atoms. They occur in nature in free or combined form. So what is the free state? What is the combined state? Free state means it is occurs in the only single form. Single form means for suppose sodium single form. For suppose combined form means carbon dioxide is there. For suppose combined means carbon and oxygen combined to form carbon dioxide. That is called combined form. Okay, so some ores is there. Aluminium we can obtain from the aluminum like that. Some ores is there. Bauxite like that. They can be prepared artificially by nuclear reactions. They can be solids, liquids, gases at room temperature. Okay, one by one we have to discuss. First one is what is the characteristic of element? They are made up of atoms. Elements are made up of atoms. And next one, physical and chemical properties. Physical and chemical properties of elements are same as of their atoms. First point is that they are made up of atoms. Second point is physical and chemical properties of elements are same. Physical and chemical properties of elements is same. And next third one, they occur in free states. They occur in nature. They occur in nature in free state and or combined state. Free and combined form. So what is the free and what is the combined form? Depending of reactivity, some elements are we can occur in free state, some elements are combined form. So how depends on the reactivity of elements. Depends on the reactivity of elements. Next one, they can be prepared artificially by nuclear reaction. They can prepare artificially by nuclear reactions. Here elements we can prepare artificially by nuclear reaction. Nuclear reaction means thorium and uranium, thorium. These are the nuclear atoms. So by that between that elements reactions are called nuclear reactions. Okay, the elements are prepared from the artificially by the nuclear reactions. And next point is they can be solids, elements. Some of the elements are solids, some of the elements are liquids, How many liquids is there at the room temperature? Only 3. They can be solids, they can be liquids. How many elements at room temperature? 3 elements is there. And gases is 11 there at room temperature. So these elements are at the room temperature. Some of the elements are solids, some of the elements are liquids, some of the elements are gases. Okay, here liquids, how many elements is there at the room temperature? 3 elements is there. What are the liquids? One is a liquid at room temperature element is a bromine. Symbol is a Br. Next, gallium. Gallium symbol is a Ga. Next one, mercury. Mercury symbol is a Hg. These are the 3 elements we can obtain liquids at the room temperature. They can be liquids at room temperature: bromine, gallium and mercury. These are the 3 elements. And 11 gases is there. What are that gases? Already we know about the gases: carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, etc. etc. Carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, these are the gases. Already we know the gases: hydrogen gas, like that. Carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine and another elements. And what about the solids? We know the solids: sodium, sulfur, potassium. These are the solids. Okay, so elements are, some of the elements are solids, some of the elements are liquids, some of the elements are gases at the room temperature. Here, first characteristic. What are the characteristics is there? They are made up of atoms. Physical and chemical properties of elements are same as of their atoms. And third point is they occur in free state and as well as combined form. It is depends on the reactivity. Some of the elements are more reactive elements is there, some of the elements are less reactive elements is there. For suppose iron, gold, silver, copper, these are the less reactive elements. For suppose sodium, potassium is the highly reactive elements. It is that free state and combined form, it is depending on the reactivity of elements. And fourth one, they can prepared artificially by nuclear reaction. They can be solids, liquids and gases at room temperature. 3 liquids is 3 elements are liquids at room temperature, that is a bromine and gallium and mercury. Br symbols is a Br, gallium, Ga and mercury. This is about the characteristics of the pure substances and characteristics of the elements. Okay, thank you.